Well, what's up, Junkyard crew, man? Golly, your boy had a long night. When I tell you I had a long night, man, I was nice on time for work. Your boy got bumped up. Man, I don't know what I want to call this police experience because the cops was some cool cats, but they was some crooked cats still at the end of the day, man. I got pulled over. He said my tail light was out and I didn't use it, so you're going to have to pick one. I can't use something that you say is out. And shit, for two, golly, man. If y'all know anything about 34th and Colorado right there, Bruce Randolph, you can turn left or you could go straight. I don't have to signal to go straight, which would have been that right-hand lane, man. But I'm gonna let the video play. Ooh-wee. But, man, the police know who I am, and I do not like that. So, you know, I'm about to be done riding old school here in a second. Here the motherfuckers go right now. So, man, they gonna have it hot in my city, man. I can't even say my city, the neighborhood. The city already hot. I don't know what them boys got going on from the A to the E, but hey, y'all better get that shit straight, because y'all got the police fucking with me, man. And shit, thank God I was legit, because boy, they would have tried to take me out last night, man. And a buddy from my job happened to see it, man, pulled up, waited on me, you know, make sure everything went smooth. Thank God, man. We get some real support out here in Colorado. But man, bro, the police is looking for switches and HCs, which is high capacity magazines, man. They said you got anything over 15, yeah, you going. So yeah, the switches is high right now, and the goddamn high capacities is hot right now. But your boy Junkyard Jerry is legit and be smooth with it. So we'll let y'all watch this thing, let y'all see what's going on, and then we will go from there, because man, they hit me with some like I said, some cool crook shit one time, but you know, no tickets, no crazy beef, man. They did let your boy pull off and get back to work. But I'm gonna tune y'all in for shit, what happened, and y'all let me know what the deal is.
Hello, sir. How are you doing?
What's up?
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Good. So, I'm Officer Cal with the Denver Police Department. The reason for your stop is you didn't signal when you went to the right, and as well as your brake light's out.
It's not out. It's dim.
What's that?
It's dim. It's not out.
No, the one on the right.
It's dim. It's not out.
I can't even see it.
It's dim. It's not out.
Okay. So, you got your license on you?
Junkyard Jerry.
Yeah, that's me.
I watch your YouTube channel sometimes.
Man, so y'all know y'all was coming for me, huh? Yeah, y'all know I'm all the way legit here, the registration.
What do you do on YouTube?
Shit, that's bro, he get me down, man. Shit, 16 cars in the game. Shit, I buy everything that I love, and shit, I keep going.
Is it a car channel, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know what they fucking driver license is.
Did you have any, did you buy this from down here, or?
Longmont.
Did you go down here on the east side? Because I know you're from like Aurora, right?
Hell no, I'm Denver. I'm Westwood, baby.
Westwood?
I work for the post office, bro.
Okay.
So shit, I can be wherever I want. I can't be on the east side.
You can. I just thought from watching your channel, I thought you lived down in Aurora.
Hell no, I ain't never been to Aurora.
You're someplace with the Spiganaires, right? Or something like that. Your son plays football. I watch your channel, bro.
Oh no, my son got championships with the goddamn the Cougars, but he don't play football no more. Yeah, we beat the Spill in the championships when that shit first came out. Where the fuck my driver license at?
That's what's up, bro. Yeah, like I said, I'm a fan. I watch your channel, man.
I don't know. You don't have to run me up for no driver license. I don't know where that shit's at.
You don't got your driver's license?
It's somewhere. Shit, I don't even know. Shit, I got it. Run me up. Take my shit straight.
You good. Hey, Jerry.
What's up?
I know what you do and stuff like that, man. You do a lot of like the car stuff and all that. I was going to ask you for your safety. You carry any firearms or anything crazy?
Bro, you think I carry firearms?
You could. If you're exercise your Second Amendment, just ask for officer safety.
Should have driver license.
Was that a yes, no, maybe?
I'm just saying for a tail light. You gonna brought on my way to work license for a gun?
No. It's officer safety, bro. It's not personal. Bro, I know you've had some bad interactions with the police.
Very, and this one I feel like I have to go the same goddamn way, bro. You're about to make me late for work.
Oh my God.
So you gonna see this one? I'm on my way to work.
It's just officer safety, Jerry. That's the only reason why. I know you work
bro, I'm gonna say it like this, bro. I don't answer no questions after this, because now I feel like y'all are pressing me because you already knew who I was.
What do you mean?
You said you came up to my car and said, "Are you Junkyard Jerry?"
Yeah, I watch your channel on YouTube.
Correct. So
I don't know who you are.
No, that's cool.
You're getting ashes on your shirt.
I don't care about that right now, because I already damn near be on my way to work. I don't got my driver license.
Okay.
Where the fuck am I? It's in one of the other cars.
Would I be safe to assume by you not answering the question that means you probably do got a firearm in the car, Jerry?
Bro, you could assume whatever you like.
You're right.
Do you have something that says your name? Oh, can I see the...
Yeah, here.
Okay.
Your simple like, that's Again, bro, it wasn't personal or anything.
Bro,
like
I
that.
feel it a little bit is because you don't ask a regular person that for an out tail light.
We do. Traffic stops are one of the most
I
dangerous
get
things we
stopped
do.
a lot. Believe me, you know.
Yeah.
You know.
Well, I've seen a few times on your channel.
You know.
But you gotta understand, bro, that traffic stops are one of the most dangerous things we do.
And what I do, I pulled over in a nice lit area.
We appreciate
You
it.
got your insurance on you?
Man, I tell you, I caught me slipping today.
No worries. I mean, take
Actually, you
your
know what? I'm lying to you. I might have that one. Where's this fucking Kemper paper at? Right, chill.
I'm gonna have to unsubscribe from your channel, man. I was a fan.
Hey, you know what? That's cool. When I see them red and blue, man.
I'm playing, man.
I know, I believe you. I got that motherfucker. What's that?
What's your date?
Here, July 2nd, 92.
July 2nd.
I really started watching just because the old school is there.
You see that Monte Carlo I just bought?
I haven't been on the channel in a minute, I'm not gonna lie to you. But
Oh, here go my policy number on my insurance too, right here.
Let me
So this is the new one. It just
it
became
say-
valid. This is all my coverages and everything on there.
Does it say
But I don't got the.
expiration date?
It should be December right here.
Okay.
Right
Hey,
here.
Jerry,
What's up?
just keep your hands up.
Yeah. Come on, run me up. Huh.
Alright.
God damn, man.
Oh, my bad. Go ahead. Walk over here. Walk over here.
Alright, sweet.
Just for my safety. Thank you. Just give me a second. Firearm observed in plain view. So bring my camera and picks that up. Plain view. How many does the hold, Jerry? 9? Okay. BLLB 353 BLLB 353 BLLB 353.
What's up, big dog? Hey, you see why I'm late, man? They got me, man. Hey, yes, sir. Appreciate you, bro. The police knew who I was. Fucking shocked. Man, they got me on this fucked up bumpy ass road. I was going nice and smooth. Woo, thank God, man. Y'all gotta be legit out here, boy. I was sweating bullets for a little bit. I was about to get the trip and I ain't even gonna stunt. Woo-wee. All right, Junkyard crew, man. I will holler at y'all when we get on the clock, boy. God damn, man, they got Junkyard Jerry outside, don't they? But y'all know what they say, Colorado got whips and we gone.
Junkyard Jerry gets pulled over by the Denver police for a pretty familiar reason, not signaling when turning right and a dim brake light. But as soon as the officer approaches, he recognizes Jerry as a YouTuber and starts asking a series of questions unrelated to the traffic violation, where he lives, if his son plays football, even where he bought his cars. Most notably, the officer asks the sensitive question, "Do you carry any firearms?" From a legal perspective, police only need reasonable suspicion to make a traffic stop. A dim brake light can be a valid reason, but the no turn signal claim is more situational. If the driver is going straight in the right lane, not actually changing direction, then the signal violation is a weak justification. Officers are allowed to ask about weapons for their safety, but citizens have the right to remain silent, and refusing to answer cannot be used as grounds to search the vehicle. Prolonged questioning about personal details, stretching the stop beyond the original traffic issue, can be a sign of a pretext stop, pulling someone over for one reason, but really investigating something else. In the end, Jerry is not cited, his car isn't searched, and he is allowed to continue on his way. But the situation raises the question, was this a legitimate traffic stop or just an excuse to approach someone the police already knew? If you think the police acted correctly or were just looking for an excuse, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so we can keep breaking down real-life police interactions based on actual law, not clickbait.
How's it going, bro?
It's going all right. Can you open the door for me?
No, I can't.
You need to open the door for me right now.
Why is that?
Open the door.
I'm sorry, sir. I don't understand why. Why am I being stopped?
Okay. You're being stopped for a traffic stop. You need to open your door.
For
your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear what for, sir.
You're being stopped in reference to a traffic stop. You need to give me your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance.
And
right now.
What crime did I commit, sir? I'm not trying to be rude. I'm not trying to be rude. Look, my hands
You need
are...
to open your door right now. You are being arrested. Open the door.
I'm being arrested? For what?
Open the door right now.
Can I get your supervisor here?
Open the door right now.
Sir, I'm not trying to be rude.
I'm telling you right now, you are under arrest.
For
Open
what?
The door.
For what?
Open the door.
You have to
right
tell
now.
me my crime, sir.
Open the door.
Sir,
right now.
you need to tell me what crime I'm being arrested for.
Open the door.
Sir, that doesn't mean anything to me.
Okay. You're under arrest
For
criminal speed. Open the door.
criminal speed.
Open the door.
Sir, can I get your
Open the
supervisor?
door.
Sir, I'm not going to open my...
Open the door.
Okay, you're going to harm me?
I'm
I'll
going
open...
to break your window if you don't open the door.
Okay, I'm going to open my door. Don't
Open
harm
the
me.
door.
Don't harm me. Look,
Open the door.
my hands are here, sir. Please.
Open the door.
Please, I'm going to. Please, I'm just letting you know I'm peaceful.
Open the door.
Sir,
now.
Sir,
No more asking. You open the door now or I'm breaking in.
I'm sorry. Can I see a supervisor,
Open
please?
the door.
Sir, you're scaring me. Don't open the door. Don't hit the window. Dude.
Now.
Dude, look.
Get out of the car.
I'm being peaceful.
Get out
I'm
of the car.
being
Get out of
peaceful. Whoa. Be careful. Be careful. I'm not doing anything. What is the matter?
You're under arrest for resisting arrest.
I resisted criminal speed?
Yes, sir.
I'm not giving you any... you're violating me, brother. I haven't harmed anybody. Wait, what is going on? Why are you being so violent? This is crazy. I'm not resisting.
A man is violently arrested by the Denver police during a traffic stop. The officer claims he was speeding, referred to as criminal speed, and demands the driver open the door to show his license, registration, and proof of insurance. Throughout the encounter, the man repeatedly asks why he is being stopped and arrested, emphasizes that he is completely peaceful, and requests to speak with a supervisor. Despite his compliance and calm behavior, the officer threatens to break the car window and accuses him of resisting arrest. Police are allowed to stop a vehicle if they have reasonable suspicion of a traffic violation, and they can request identification and vehicle documents. However, an arrest for resisting without actual physical resistance or a credible threat can constitute abuse of authority. The driver's repeated requests for clarification and to see a supervisor are his legal rights, but in this case, the officer's use of threats and force raises serious questions about whether proper procedures were followed. What do you think? Was this a legitimate traffic stop or an example of police overreach? Comment your thoughts below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more real-life Cop Watch breakdowns, where we explain your rights and analyze interactions with law enforcement.